Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 best travel insurance companies. So, we're looking at the 5 best travel insurance companies here right now, and the reason this matters is simple. One delayed flight, one lost bag, one random urgent care visit in another country can turn a fun trip into a wallet disaster. So, travel insurance is basically there to protect you from the expensive stuff that you can't predict. Things like trip cancellation or interruption, emergency medical and evacuation coverage, and the baggage delays or loss. Just a quick heads up though, if you want to pick one of them, make sure to really pick one that suits your needs here. So let's go and start with the very first one, which is going to be Faye. Now, Faye here is special if you like a modern app-based experience. So what makes Faye stand out is the way they talk about coverage in real-life terms, your trip, your health, and your stuff. And they also push helpful ads like cancel for any reason, CFAR, or for people who want that extra flexibility. So CFAR is a big deal because normal trips cancellation only cover specific approved reasons, while CFAR is designed for those lives happen situation for that don't fit nearly into a or that doesn't fit into neatly into a list. Now next is we have Square Mouth. Now Square Mouth here is a strong choice when you don't want to commit to one insurer right away and you'd rather compare a bunch of plans side by side. So they position themselves as a company marketplace where you can sort the options by what you care about: medical limits, trip cancellation, CFAR availability, and even like plans like annual or cruise coverage. So it's kind of place that makes it easier to shop smarter instead of guessing. And also you've got Alliance Travel Insurance. So which is a big name option that covers both single trip and annual plans. So it's usually a go-to for people who want something established with clear plan types and ability to code based on your trip. Now, if you travel more than once a year, it's worth at least comparing an annual plan here because sometimes that ends up being cheaper than buying separate coverage every time. Now, another one that's worth putting on your shortlist here is going to be Travel Guard or AIG. So they're also a well-known provider, and they highlight things like being able to get a quote quickly and having like 24/7 emergency assistance, which matters a lot if something goes wrong or around like 2 a.m. In a different time zone. So Travel Guard also sells different plan types, including annual coverage, which is handy for frequent travelers. And finally, the last on our list, and definitely not the least here, and honestly one of the smartest moves overall, is going to be travelinsurance.com. Now, this isn't just one insurer, it's a comparison site that lets you plug in your trip details and compare plans from multiple providers in one place. Now, if you're trying to find the best value, this is often the easiest way to see pricing and benefits side by side because the best policy usually depends on your destination, age, trip costs, and what coverage you actually need. So, if you want the simplest way to choose here, think of it like this. Now, if you want an app first experience and want CFAR as an option, well, Faye here is worth the look. Now, if you want to compare lots of plans quickly, well, Square Mouth here and Travel Insurance make that easy. Now, if you want a big established provider with clear plan types here, well, Alliance and Travel Guard are going to be the two classic options to compare. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.